Does hazard communication apply internationally, and how does it differ? Have you ever wondered how workers around the world stay safe when dealing with hazardous materials? Hazard communication, often referred to as HazCom, plays a vital role in this. But does it apply internationally, and how does it differ from one place to another? Let's break it down. Hazard communication is a system that ensures workers receive clear information about chemical hazards. This is essential for maintaining safety in the workplace. While the idea of communicating hazards is universal, the specific rules and regulations can vary significantly by country or region. On a global scale, the United Nations developed the globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals. This system provides a consistent framework for classifying chemical hazards and standardizing labels and safety data sheets. The goal is to make it easier for companies that operate in multiple countries to comply with safety requirements and for workers to understand the risks they face, no matter where they are. In the United States, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration established its hazard communication standard. This standard was updated in 2012 to align with the globally harmonized system. Under this standard, chemical manufacturers and employers must classify hazards, label chemicals with standardized pictograms and hazard statements, and provide safety data sheets in a uniform format. Additionally, employers are required to train workers to understand these labels and safety data sheets to ensure safe handling of hazardous chemicals. However, other regions have their own regulations that may align with the globally harmonized system but include additional requirements. For instance, the European Union has its own rules known as the classification, labeling and packaging regulation, and the registration, evaluation, authorization and restriction of chemicals regulation. These regulations follow the principles of the globally harmonized system but have specific compliance rules tailored to the European market. For high-risk professions like logging, deep-sea fishing, and storm chasing, understanding local hazard communication standards is essential. Workers in these fields may encounter hazardous chemicals such as fuels, lubricants, or chemical treatments. Clear hazard communication can make a significant difference in preventing accidents and health issues in these challenging environments. To sum it up, hazard communication does apply internationally through the globally harmonized system, which standardizes chemical hazard classification and labeling. However, differences exist in regional regulations, such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's standard in the United States and the European Union's regulations. Employers must provide hazard information, labels, safety data sheets, and training according to local regulations. This ensures that workers in high-risk professions receive clear and consistent safety information, no matter where they work. The alignment with the globally harmonized system helps workers better understand chemical hazards, promoting safer work environments across the globe.